Good morning, Josiah. I just wanted to get in here and show you exactly where to find your assignments. I know it can be a little overwhelming in here in Schoology, so I just wanted to walk you through once you log in what things are going to look like and where to find them. So I went ahead and I logged in under your name. So this is what you will see on your side. So I just logged in and so you can see exactly where to go. So once you're into Schoology and you've clicked into Miss Thomas's homeroom, this is what it's going to look like. So over here is your welcome folder. I hope you were able to find that. And in there, it's all of this stuff. It's a little video of me saying hello to you, nice to meet you, ways to contact Miss Thomas, our class expectations, grading criteria, how I'm going to grade you this year, scope and sequence, so you can know what you're going to learn and be learning, and then how-to tutorials to find where you need to go. Hit the back button and it's going to take us back to that first page. Each week, I'm going to move our weekly work folder right to the top right here. So week 2, I'll move it right up here. And so you'll see it every week and you click into your work week right here. At the top of this page, I'm going to have our daily checklist. So day 1, that was the first day of school, yesterday, today. So if you can print them out, but that is not required. You click on it and it's going to give you an overview of what our assignments are for the day. So here is today's. I went ahead and clicked on for us. My computer is taking a little bit of time. The internet is kind of slow. But here's our checklist. And so for ELA, I have a video in there and I'm reading you The Recess Queen. It's a great story. You're going to create a circle map on your own. So on a piece of paper or in your reading journal, you can create a circle map like we did earlier in the week and based on one of the characters from the story. Also in our class journal, which is in there and you get to type your answers, I'd like you to type 2 to 3 ways that you can be a good friend at recess. And then if you can, please reply to a friend's post. If you agree or you have something to add, you can always comment on their post. In writing, you're going to watch a video and I'm going to read to you a book called Big Mama by Donald Cruz. You're going to brainstorm somewhere that you may want to write about. He goes on an adventure kind of back to his grandma's house. And so he tells that lovely story and he loves going there. So you're going to brainstorm somewhere that you like to visit that you might want to write about. So then that's in our writing journal. I want you to brainstorm and then send me a picture in Dojo if you're able. That way I can just see your writing and we can talk about it and I can answer questions. Later on in the day, you have math. And so we're going to practice logging in to Envision. Yeah, that's a tile on your main tiles where you log into Focus and where you log into Schoology. There's one for Savvis too. I have a how-to linked in your math folder for you to reference in case you can't get logged in. And you'll do 13-1, and there's 3 parts: visual, practice buddy, and then a quick check. All right, then after that we have science, and you're just going to continue to use your 5 senses and make some observations around your home today. Write that either on a piece of paper or if you do have a composition notebook in your science journal. And then for specials today, we have STEM. So I just put a really fun science experiment in there for you to watch. And I'd love for you to comment on it and watch that and let me know what you think. So that's your overview. That's your checklist for the day. So you can hit your back button here. And that back arrow up here just takes you back to the previous page. And then each day, here are your folders. So you'll have a reading folder right here, a math folder, there's the science folder, and then specials is down at the bottom. Okay, so you'll click into each folder, and then it's broken up by days. So we got our broad view of what our to-do is today with our checklist, and then this breaks it all apart. Monday's work, Tuesday's reading work, Wednesday's reading work. You'll click into your folder, and you'll see all of the links, all of the pictures to everything. Of course, it's going very slow, but hopefully we get in here real soon and I can show you. There we go. So there's our assignment. This is where the link to the video, The Recess Queen, will be. Being a writer, here's your writing, the vocabulary words, the links to the videos, and in that classroom journal. Oh, look, looks like a few kids have already gotten in there and typed their responses. So here's your link to the Recess Queen. Okay, and I kind of break it up too. 1, watch and listen this. 2, make a circle map. Okay, and then 3, type in our class journal. So it lays it out for you so you know what's expected of you. And then here's the little link to the book, to my video. And here's an example of what a circle map should look like. I did Katie Sue in the middle, but you can also do Mean Jean, the other character in the book too, if you'd like instead. All right, I hope this answers some questions for you and you're able to find exactly what you're looking for. If you have any more questions, please go ahead and message me on Dojo and I can walk you through or answer some more questions for you. Good luck today, Josiah. I'll talk to you so soon, okay? Bye-bye.